Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the latest insights and opportunities in the world of finance and investments, with a special focus on currency revaluation, gold and silver investments, cryptocurrency, and make money online opportunities, and more. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in currency revaluation, particularly the Iraqi Dinar and other currencies, best to subscribe to this channel. Please note that the content on this YouTube channel is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We are not licensed financial advisors, and the opinions expressed on this channel are based on our own research and personal experience. We strongly recommend that you do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a weekly giveaway of 100 Dogecoin. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and watch this video until the end, because if you don't, you will be automatically disqualified from the giveaway. We will be sharing the random hashtag keyword daily somewhere in the video, and then comment hashtag the keyword with no spaces in between in the comments section. Good luck. Now, let's proceed with the latest Iraqi Dinar news and intel today. From Newshound Guru and Iraqi Guru Caparoni. I have always stated with the success of Iraq's economy will come the increase of the dinar. Some interesting news. From article, the Social Security law includes many privileges for workers in the private sector. This law was passed last weekend. This is critical to get people off the government payroll and working for the private sector, which has been stated already will not only diversify Iraq's economy, but rebuild the country. From article, retirement. The insurance law will provide a salary for more than 2 million workers in the private sector. They plan to launch this law in August, which in essence means they will launch the private sector at that time. This is big news, so we can expect significant changes come August to Iraq's economy coming yet this year. From Intel Guru Frank 26. These are good times for our investment because the things that are happening are not negative. They're moving in a positive direction. We are right at the edge of cliff, on my tiptoes, with my arms spread wide open with my chest sticking out, leaning forward over this cliff. And all I need is a little gust of wind to knock me over and fly like a bird into the international world with this new national currency. From Newshound Guru Militiaman. It's the CBI's job to make a rate change adjustment. It's not the Parliament, or it's not the Council of Ministers, or the Finance Committee's job to do that. From Intel Guru Mark Z via PDK, we continue to hear positive things. There is a lot of chatter about a possible release today from Reno. That may be a little early, but I am still feeling very good about this month. My contacts in Iraq say Iraq is positioned to dump their Rothschild central bank. They are doing whatever it takes to go with or without everyone to force the RV to fruition. They are joining BRICS and moving away from the US dollar. From Newshound Guru Pimpy, the official rate, which is when the bank tell you it's a fixed rate, not floating. In the streets, what you have is a black market where people will pay you more dinar than you would normally get from the bank in order to get the US dollars. It has nothing to do with it floating. There's the official one and a parallel one. All you have to do is pay attention to what the central bank is telling you. From Intel Guru Frank 26, what happens after they open the budget? I don't know, but it's the next chapter in our investment. Nothing is going to work without the new exchange rate. That's a fact of life. From Newshound Guru Deepwoods, community comment. It's the CBI that changes the rate, not Parliament. The CBI can do it anytime. Constitution Article 110. The federal government shall have exclusive authorities in the following matters: formulating fiscal and customs policy, issuing currency, regulating commercial policy across regional and governorate boundaries in Iraq, drawing up the national budget of the state, formulating monetary policy, and establishing and administering a central bank. So although the CBI actually changed the rate, they do it at the PM's and COM's discretion. Case in point, when Soudani became PM, he fired Mustafa Ghale and installed a LAC. From Newshound, Intel Guru Mountain Goat. The articles this week are still rolling out yet more currency reforms, but most importantly, they are now enforcing the new CBI currency mandates and sole use of the dinar with a special task force of policemen. Wow, wow, wow. So we can see they mean business. I feel there is now no turning back. This is moving forward. We are heading for the long-awaited reinstatement of the Iraqi Dinar to Forex, not as a placeholder, but open for business trading. We could possibly see what we are looking for prior to June. From Newshound Guru Sandy Ingram, recent dinar history recap. Iraq finally had an election, and there is a new prime minister who is friendly with Iran. Large sums of US dollars began flowing into Iran, who is under sanctions. The United States immediately stopped the flow of US dollars into Iraq, and Iraq was on its way to looking like Zimbabwe. Fortunately, a delegation was called to Washington, D.C., and for 6 days and nights they hammered out a plan. We believe we are seeing the plan unfold. Iraq is all about making progress, and when this progress continues, the value of their currency will increase against the US dollar. This is what we are waiting for. From Intel Guru Frank 26, the whole world is pouring into Iraq. You don't think these companies and countries know something that you don't know? Of course. Before ending with the last update, the hashtag keyword for the 100 Dogecoin giveaway is Constitution. You can be the lucky winner if you like, subscribe, and watch the main content of this video. This will be for this coming Sunday's giveaway, and the winner will be announced in one of the Sunday's videos, so you do not want to miss it. And finally, the last update is from Intel Guru Bruce via PDK over the weekend. Certainly by Sunday, Iraq was going to expose their budgets, and the new rate would be in the budget. They did do that, but we were kept from seeing the new rates, and we won't see it until Thursday. There's what I'm hearing out of Iraq. The new rate is supposed to be available to us to see here on Thursday. Exchanges on Thursday. I'm just telling you, I'm being told from some pretty strong sources. I think we're looking pretty good right now. That's all for the latest updates on the Iraq dinar. What are your thoughts of all the articles or news coming from Iraq and opinions from these intel providers? We posted several news videos today from the PM al-Sudani and from government spokesmen revealing the advantages of the Development Path project on Iraq's economic future, while indicating that the Prime Minister had adopted an approach that would rebuild the philosophy of the Iraqi economy. I recommend to watch this video, as this implementation of the Development Path project signifies a major step towards revitalizing Iraq's economy and reducing its reliance on oil revenues. By creating an international land corridor, Iraq can enhance its trade capabilities, attract foreign investment, and strengthen its economic relationships with neighboring countries. This is crucial to supporting the monetary reform and potential revaluation of the dinar, as they contribute to economic diversification, job creation, and regional economic integration. The Development Path project holds the potential to drive Iraq's economic growth and position the country as a key player in the region's economic landscape. Lastly, we will continue to post videos about the recent events and articles supporting the changes taking place in Iraq, so you don't want to miss them. Also, don't forget, please drop a comment below with hashtag and the keyword and let us know what you think. If you like this content and like to support this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. See you on the next one. Bye.